In this video, we'll take you through the setup of your new Venu 4 smartwatch and introduce you to some features you're going to love. Begin by powering on your watch by pressing and holding the top button. Then, select your preferred language. Select the check mark to begin pairing your device to your compatible smartphone. Using your compatible smartphone's camera, scan the QR code. For existing customers, this will direct you to the Garmin Connect smartphone application to begin pairing your new smartwatch. For new customers, scanning this code will direct you to download the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Once downloaded, open the app. Then, sign in or create a new account. Once signed in, select Connected when the Garmin Connect app recognizes your Venu 4. Follow the steps to finish setting up your device. During this process, you'll also be able to set your goals and more. Once you're finished with the initial setup, you can tailor your experience by customizing glance and app lists, setting up Garmin Pay, and more. Next, let's look at the buttons on your Venu 4. Your watch comes with two buttons. The top button turns on your device, allows you to access the Activities and Apps menu, and start and stop activities. Press and hold this button to open the Controls menu. The bottom button is the back button. It allows you to return to the previous screen. During an activity, use this button to mark a new lap, start a new weight set or yoga pose, or advance to the next stage of a workout. Press and hold this button to activate the flashlight. Your Venu 4 also features a bright, colorful touchscreen display which can help you navigate your watch. Touch the screen to wake up your watch or select various options. Swipe up to scroll through glances, features, and menus. Tap an option to open it. Swipe right to return to the previous screen. Swipe down to view notifications. Swipe left to get to the Apps and Activities list. Next, let's talk more about using your smartwatch. To wake up the display, touch the screen or lift your wrist and rotate it toward your body. When the watch face is displayed, you can swipe up to scroll through glances that show your stats for the day, health data, your calendar, smart notifications, and more. Tap a glance to get more information. Swipe right to return to the glance list. Scroll to the bottom of the glance list and select Edit to add, remove, or reorder your glance list. Swipe right to return to the watch face. From the watch face, swipe left to enter the Activities and Apps list. This includes music, clocks, workouts, and apps. You can also press the top button from any screen to access this list. Scroll to the bottom to access the Settings menu. Here you can adjust notifications, focus modes, sounds, and more. This is also where you'll configure health and fitness features, such as setting abnormal heart rate alerts or turning on pulse ox. To access the control menu with the touchscreen, swipe left from the watch face. Then swipe down from the Activities and App list. To access the Controls menu from any watch screen, press and hold the top button for 2 seconds. Next, we'll walk through how to start an activity. You can customize the activities available in the Garmin Connect app or on your smartwatch. First, swipe left or press the top button to access the Activities and Apps list. Then select Activities. To edit the list, scroll to the bottom and select Edit. Here, you can either move around existing default activities or scroll to the bottom of the list and select Add to add more of your favorite activities. To edit your favorite activities, tap the activity. Here, you can reorder or remove it. To pin an activity, select the pin icon next to an activity. You can pin up to 3 activities. When you're ready to start an activity, select one. If the activity requires GPS, go outside and wait until a signal is acquired. Press the top button again to start the activity timer and begin recording data. On some activities, you'll see an indicator for the bottom button's function. While you work out, you can swipe left or right to the different activity lanes. You have access to the music player, your data loop, and activity settings. Press the back button to return to your data loop. When you're finished, press the top button to stop the timer. You'll see a recap of your activity and the option to resume your activity. You can also save the activity or discard it. Once saved, the activity will be synced to the Garmin Connect smartphone application for you to view in detail. Now you're ready to get out there and get moving. For more help, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching!